Hi guys, this is Mo and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about another way that you can actually save more money. One of the things that you should be thinking about is how much money that you're spending. But in addition to that, how can you save more money? So I want you to think about all the things that you do that cost money, all the extracurricular activities that you do that cost you money to do or to indulge in. And I want you to start thinking about new hobbies. Yeah, we all like hobbies, but let's transition our hobbies from those that are expensive and cost us a lot of money to those that possibly are free. So I want you to start thinking about getting a new hobby, but getting a low cost or no cost hobby. Just to jumpstart your thinking, I want you to at least scour the area that you're located in, go on your internet, talk to your family and friends or those around you, neighbors, and identify those free activities in your area. There are so many different types of free activities, but I want you to think about those free activities that are in your area. And also think about how they may align with how you feel or some of the things that you would love to do. In addition to that, I want you to think about the cost that you currently spend on your hobbies and the cost of actually changing your hobbies so that you can get more money. It's a no-brainer and it's very easy to implement. So the first thing that you could possibly do that you may not do is start journaling. You can start journaling about the things that you're experiencing, how you feel. Doesn't cost you anything but a pen and a piece of paper. You can write a number of things and you can write for hours about things that you're passionate enough. And once you get a compilation of all those different things, guess what? You can then publish a book and make more money. So journaling is a good way to actually transition into a new hobby. One of the things you could do too is hiking, running, walking, anything that involves low activity or high activity. Given your body makeup or your composition, you may like high impact, but you can definitely benefit. Not only is running and walking and hiking free activities, it also is beneficial for your health. So you can get, it's a twofer. You can save money and you can exert a lot of energy and burn some calories and be a better version of yourself. So who wouldn't want to save money and become a better version of yourself? I mean, that is awesome way to actually jumpstart a new hobby. Also, look around, volunteering. If you are one of those people that like to give back, you can volunteer. Again, it doesn't cost you anything to volunteer other than the transportation there and back. And that's it. You can spend a lot of time doing things that are meaningful to you and doesn't cost you a whole lot. You can even look around and see if there are opportunities to go to museums, local museums. Some of them cost. You want to go to the low cost or no cost museums and visit and see some of the great sites to see, all at a very minimal cost. But it gives you the opportunity to get out of the house and to do things and make you feel like you're actively doing something, but at no cost or low cost. And you can also just think about all the other opportunities to do things around the house. Some of the things that you haven't been able to do that don't cost. You know, some of the things that you'd like to do that are repairing something at home or some of your cleaning or transitioning some of the stuff for season to season in your home. That too won't cost you anything, but definitely will give you an opportunity to do things. Believe it or not, you would be amazed how much money you really save by transitioning your hobbies from those that are very costly to those that are low cost or no cost. You guys go out there and get these things moving, get these things and employ these in your daily routine, get new hobbies that don't cost you a lot and make more money.